fifth generation shipowner 563. Thank you very much indeed, shipowners, for the last 126 years. I've only been here for about 37 or so, and I'm so excited that the fifth generation is going to start this next September, where we're going to have them joining in the AI departments and in the accounting departments, plus social media marketing. Those are the four strategic areas that today we have AI in the budget, in the expansion, in the offices, in the control, in the compliance, financial compliance, transparency, ESG, corporate social responsibility, and all these issues regarding the expansion that we are having today in Candina from different nationalities and different ship owners. Thank you very much indeed for you ship owners' confidence, because this means that if you also wish to think about the next 126 years, perhaps you need a partner like Candina that really has no conflicts of interest, and then ship owner and crew management company, we can go united long term. Why? Because we have just about 170,000 seafarers in the database, growing to 200,000, and with this new young 20-year-old, 21-year-old new fifth generation, we are very excited. As Jack Ma usually says, that once you have reached this level of big company, then you have to decide to give the power to the young generation. The youngest, the better. Why? Because AI and social media are really strategic today, and we need to grow importantly together with you, dear ship owner. We have a competitive advantage with this database, and of course, without cost. So please contact us so that we can go together. We have a Spanish flag, 25% more competitive than flag of convenience. We have Espanol, much more competitive than the British language. We have really a huge database. Many of you have about 60, 70 suppliers. Come on, it's time to break even and really simplify matters. We have the crew inspector, the Adonis. We have a huge competitive advantages, but now today we are very excited to propose to you, dear ship owner, long-term competitive advantages. We know that most of small, medium and large companies in Europe will be gone because there is no relief of new generations. Why? Because these stone politicians are just taxing and bureaucratic, and then putting fines to all these companies, and then really they have no future but to pay them tax. And therefore it is a huge excitement today that we can propose this future for you, dear ship owner, because now we can go together, ship owner and Candina, like the last 126 years. Let's hope new 126.